There is an example here which demonstrates the difference between irrigated agriculture and non-irrigated agriculture. So when you look here, the passion fruits decide that they cannot feed what they are carrying, they cannot feed their leaves, they cannot feed the fruits because they don't have water. So what they do abort all of those. So these flowers, the flowers, the leaves and the fruits have been removed. If you can see, these are just stalks. And here it means the farmer is going to make a loss. He will not make money because now it's a dry season. Until the next rains, then they can come up again. But for now, they have aborted everything. And if water continues to be scarce, you get drying stems and stalks. The vines will dry up, and so you end up having no passion fruit. And so the farmer doesn't get money. So when you cross here, we have a laser spray irrigation. This laser spray is Nexus Green, bought it from Driptech and Jain in India. It gives water evenly to make sure that the whole garden is covered, and so the crops get water. So what happens is that the crops now take up water and feed it to the fruits. If you can see from compared to what we saw earlier, there's a big difference between these fruits which have been irrigated and the leaves. The leaves are full, the flowers are there, you know. So we have everything in this garden. The flowers are forming, the leaves are full, the fruits are there, and the farmer will not make a loss because the vines are healthy. And as you can see, these are the flowers. They are not aborted because they are getting enough water. And here also, these are nice healthy flowers. These flowers will eventually result into fruits. When we come to coffee, you see the seeds, the coffee seeds, the coffee beans are full. So water in coffee plants help you to form full beans. So you have the coffee seeds which are full, and then the quality of coffee becomes high. So what happens is that when it is dry and the crop cannot access water, it will either kill part of the seed in a bean, or it will maintain it so that or kill the leaves, or kill the flowers. So anything has to go off at least when the coffee is not getting water. Now, like all these are flowers which are coming up, but because we have irrigation here, they are going to be sustained and they result into seed. Into coffee beans. But if there is no water that is coming up, that is given to the crop, you won't have all this. The plant will abort all this, and then you have completely nothing. And that's why you have a dead season, and you are unable to harvest anything from that garden. So without water, of course, there are many reasons why coffee plants dry. It could be disease, it could be age, but mostly lack of water. If there is an interruption of water supply or nutrient supply, they are cut off and they dry and then they fall down. Then you find there is a flower fall and then abortion. So this is what shows the benefit of water. This is why we want farmers to adopt irrigation, and we thank government of Uganda for this program that is helping farmers sustain their crop. So these two gardens, you see the difference. They are next to each other, by the way. So it is good to have this kind of demonstrations showing. Yeah, so that is it. And the ground is not dry. And also the farmer is going to make money here.